Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jenny Lynn Sibayan. I was born September 24, 1989. I am 35 years old at this time. I am single parent, blessed with 3 children, age of 14, 12, and 7. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, newborn and 10 years old. My main duty is to look after the kids, cooking their meals, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and gardening. Since this is my first time to go abroad, I will overcome my homesickness by keeping myself busy at work. If the parents of my employer is always find a mistake at my work, I will do my best to improve my work. And yes, ma'am, I can sing a simple nursery rhymes like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. I arrange my duty if me and only the baby will leave the house, attend the baby, feed the baby, bath the baby, and when the baby are sleeping, I can do household work. And I can do also simple household work like wiping the window. I assure to my employer that I am hardworking, trustworthy, and can easily to learn. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, Sir, Madam.